In this video, we are demonstrating how you can perform ink changeover in new Canon TM series printer. Before performing changeover, please take the nozzle pattern to check the current status of printhead. First, press and hold the power button to turn the printer on. Once on, press the four corners of the screen as shown. Hold the power button for 2 more seconds and then release. The printer will start with blinking notification light. That means the printer is now in service mode. To confirm, click on Settings icon, and at the bottom you'll see the Service Mode option. This is how you can enter into service mode. This process includes 2 steps: first, cleaning the maintenance tank, and second, resetting the usage system. Please note that it is important to clean the maintenance tank on regular basis to avoid any inconvenience. So, first, remove the maintenance tank from the printer and remove the ink from it. After removing ink pad, put some tissue inside it to soak the ink while in use. Now close the cartridge and insert it in the printer. Go to the service mode, and select printer status. Now select other consumable usage log, and choose maintenance cartridge usage option. Here it shows the 60% usage of maintenance cartridge is done. Now, click on Reset, and execute the process. After completion, you can see the usage being reset to 0. Click on Settings and then, go to Maintenance. Now scroll down, and select Prepare to Move option. Once done, choose Transport Outdoors, and click on Yes to confirm. When preparation is finished, a message prompting you to open the ink tank cover appears on the touch screen. So, open the cover, remove the ink tank cartridge, close the cartridge layers and close the cover. Now remove the empty cartridge and refill. Once refilled, put the cartridge in, and close the cover. A confirmation message will appear when the process is finished. Now turn off printer. And again turn on printer in normal mode. Now, get a nozzle printout by choosing the nozzle check option in the maintenance menu, and analyze it. In case you didn't get the clear nozzle pattern or matching with the one you got at the start of the process, perform head cleaning at least 2 to 3 times. This is how you can easily perform ink changeover in Canon TM series printers.